Part 1. Internal construction of the breadboard on what is a breadboard. So, what is a breadboard? The breadboard is a board that is used to prototype electrical circuits without any soldering, also known as prototyping boards. It can be used to construct circuits ranging from simple to complicated circuits. The breadboard contains many holes with metal clips attached underneath to hold the components together without soldering. The name breadboard originates from early days when electronic components were nailed to the wooden board to do prototyping. The wooden board is also a board that is used to slice your bread on, hence the name breadboard. Second part, how are the points connected on the breadboard? The breadboard is separated to two parts, the terminal strips and the bar strips. The terminal strips are located at the top and the bottom of the breadboard labeled A and D. Each terminal strip is also labeled positive in red and negative in blue. All the holes in positive are connected horizontally, same for negative. The bar strips are located at the center of the breadboard labeled B and C. The rows are labeled A to J, while the columns are labeled from 1 to 30, even though the diagram only shows from 1 to 24. All the holes along the columns are connected vertically. However, there is a bridge in the middle which separates the column into two parts, and the two parts are not connected electrically. I will now show you some diagrams of wires being connected and not connected. So, can you make a guess which are connected and which are not? So, for the first diagram, are these two wires connected? Yes, they are connected because the two wires are connected on the same column 15. So, these two wires are connected. Here is the second diagram. Are these two wires connected? Yes, they are. Similar to the first diagram, the two wires are connected on the same row 15. So, these two wires are connected. Here is the third diagram. Are these two wires connected? No, they are not, because the red wire is on column 15, while the white wire is on column 16. Hence, these two wires are not connected. This is the fourth diagram. Are these two wires connected? No, they are not, because although they are on the same column, but there is a bridge in the middle which separates the two wires. So, these two wires are not connected. This is the fifth diagram. Are these two wires connected? Yes, they are, because they are connected on the same row. And since this is the terminal strip is connected horizontally. So, these two wires are connected. This is the sixth diagram. Are these two wires connected? No, they are not, because they are connected on a different row. And since it's a terminal strip, the terminal strips are connected horizontally. So, these two wires are not on the same horizontal line. So, these two wires are not connected.